Whoa. What? What? The eyes. Yes, it does. Hey everybody. So, I just had another ski lesson. Right now it is... I forgot I turned my iPad off. Okay then. So guys, first of all, if you haven't seen the video yesterday, it was more likely due to double swimming. But some part of it, I went in a sauna, it was burning like crazy. First of all, we had the ski lessons. And at the end, I did something very hilarious. It is 9:59, and my battery on the iPad is 6%. That's all, guys. Well, I'm waiting for my mom. I'm gonna go up to the 10th floor. Apparently, they have a bar on the 10th floor, and we checked it out yesterday. And we took a few photos over there, and we also checked out the really cool view. So guys, as you see, I'm in the bar right now. Just gonna check some cool stuff in here. Well, the good thing is nobody is in the bar, and there's this is not the only theme. I mean, they have restaurants, and yeah, it says that we couldn't smoke in here. And also, these bottles, yeah, maybe there might be some kind of bottles. This is one side, they have another side too. Maybe that's for lunch. Well, anyway, let's check out the skiing people. The skiing people are right there. There's plenty of people over here at this side, and probably some people yet to go up that thing. I'm gonna watch these guys do it too. It's not so much windy today. I mean, the sun has popped out for a little bit. But guys, later today we might have a blizzard storm. Oh my god, isn't that so weird? I mean, we're gonna have a blizzard storm at 3 in the afternoon. Well, let's check the other side of the bar. Okay, they don't have anything else. Parts for some instruments. I'm gonna play some of them. I'm gonna play the piano. It's not working. Okay. Alright guys, now I'm gonna get out of the bar. That was a good check around in the bar though, I'm sure. Well, I'm sure one of the elevators might be coming.
Daha sonra alalım mı? Ben çıkamam. Soğuk. Uzak mı değil mi? Bire bas o zaman. Sıfır.
So I'm waiting for an elevator because I heard that it actually started to snow little by little. So I'm gonna get in this elevator. Is that noise? The elevator's here. I mean, I don't really understand how the noise is really coming through. Is it actually snowing, or if the blizzard already started. I mean, I already mentioned the blizzard in probably yesterday's vlog, or maybe earlier this vlog. Well, I'm gonna check it out anyway, because I heard that it's still going on like that. Actually, it's snowing hardly up. He probably knew it. Snow's just started. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't know what I'm doing out here. I could watch the skiing people from further. be like here. I'm going back inside. Going back inside. Well, I'm going to go back up to that bar to check the view of that blizzard storm. It's so awkward how they even do it and how it even goes. It goes quite rapid, so I'm gonna check it out. I think it's still going on. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, it's actually still going on for some weird point. And they said it's gonna continue later today, like this evening. And tonight is expected to be even worse. Somehow, I'm kind of excited to watch, like the way that we get trapped in that snowstorm. Oh my! I can't believe that I'm outside again. And it looks like this is being a bit more serious here. Oh. Oh my god, look what I found. Oh my god. What's going on? Check something out, which is a bit weird. Poor somebody left it open. Alright, I'm gonna close it. This is like the highest level that you can go with these stairs. It's a bit weird. I mean, only it's the 9th floor. Man, I just had a little bit of a swim, and somehow my eyes have gone red. I don't know how it happened. Really don't know how. Yep, look. Yeah. I don't know how it happened, but yeah. My eyes did go red. I didn't even bring glasses to swimming, so that's how I got those red eyes. Kind of hurt a little bit, maybe the water might be a bit salty. Well, before I went swimming, I took a nap. My mom was also taking a nap right now. And while waiting, I decided to go for a swim, so that's how I went out there. Well, now I'm gonna go back to my room anyway and relax a little bit after that epic hell of a swim. I mean, I don't really know the exact way that my eyes went like this. I mean, probably one specific reason might be I didn't bring glasses. So currently I'm in a hotel room again while my mom is not here. She is also in the pool in the spa, and she said she was getting a massage, so I'm alone again. I'm watching some skiing people again with that really cool music outside. And I think also that continuous blizzard, I think it's going to continue through the night. I mean, I wonder if it's going to be same as Thursday night the other day. I mean, because I think I explained this yesterday that there was a thunderstorm that night. I mean, it wasn't really a thunderstorm, but there was some lightning in the sky, which was kind of epic to watch at the mountains. What is life? Guys, I'm on my iPad and I'm trying to flip a penny. Here we go. Penny flipping, here we go. Oh. The blizzard is still going on for a bit longer. The blizzard.
I think it's rain actually. It's not really.
Oh, because like an hour ago was a bit like blizzard. Like, I mean, since we're actually at the top of the mountains, it might either take longer or it gets like really, really dramatic at some point. Like, because we're on top of the mountain. Ooh, wow. somewhere to sit. I'm gonna feel a bit comfortable. Alright. So, I don't think it's really raining or snowing as much as it used to earlier this hour. I mean, it was kind of an epic blizzard, but maybe it has probably stopped little by little. I'm gonna check it out. Well, I think it stopped a little. Let's see. Yep. It's not really snowing that much. But tomorrow might continue happening. But actually, we're gonna be out of the hotel tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow at this time, we're gonna be back home. I'm gonna be at my dad's house. When we return, which will be tomorrow, we'll want to make up all the luggages again. Oh well, it's been a nice trip. We had like almost all the free time, and we could check out if there are any blizzards going on. That'd be funny, actually. It's still quite windy, but it's not really that snowy for now. I'm kind of glad, because sometimes when it snows that much, it comes onto my clothes and sticks up a little bit in there. And I don't really like it too much. And tomorrow, the bus is going to be departing at 1:10. So, and you'll be able to see some footage on the bus, just like you did the other day. But only like 4 minutes of it, because we went with that bridge, although we used to go with a ferry. Alright guys, I don't think I have any idea what else I'm going to do, but I'm going to end this vlog. Tomorrow at the beginning we're still going to be here, but not at the end. I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.